Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add events to your Samsung calendar. So Gemini can automatically schedule the event with the correct time and date in your Samsung calendar. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. Here we'll go ahead and ask it a question. Please add an event with dinner with Sarah this Friday at 8 p.m. to my Samsung calendar.
I've added an event to your Samsung calendar for dinner with Sarah this Friday at 8 p.m.
And if I go ahead and tap on that, you can see that Gemini has added a dinner with Sarah at 7 p.m. event into my calendar. So this keeps your personal and work events organized without switching apps or typing. It's great for when you're on the move and don't have time to open your calendar manually. So there you go guys, that's how to add events to your Samsung calendar using Gemini.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.